Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to enable or how to turn on autocorrect on Samsung phone keyboard. As you see here, for example, when you want to write something, for example, when we want to write like this, they don't correct to you this and they don't save what you write. But if you want to enable autocorrect keyboard, you have just follow us step by step. At first you will go to settings. In this page you will scrolling down, you will go to general management. In this page you will find this window of Samsung keyboard settings. Then here in this page you will go to auto replace. You will enter here and then you will choose your language that you want to auto replace. As you see here, as you type, you will see suggested words. Tap the space bar, the enter key or a punctuation mark to enter the highlighted word. So you will click here to turn on this sign of auto replace. Then you will go also to this window of suggest text corrections, as you see, and here we'll choose this sign of this language here. As you see, check spelling and grammar, tap underlined text to see suggested alternatives. So for example, now when we will return and we want to write something like that here, they will correct it to you, as you see. And for example, if you write like this, you will find here this correction, as you see, and you can correct it like this. So that's it. If this video helped you and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.